Welcome to PCR London Valves 2024. My name is Pepe Calle and I'm a co-course director of this year program. And I have with me Azeem Latib, which is my colleague co-course director, together with Chris Maduri and others. And I would like to ask you, what's your impressions about this day?
Hey Pepe, good to see you. It's exciting to have innovation back in the PCR program. And I think what's exciting this year is how we've taken and built an innovation program that's really embedded throughout the course. So you could find really lots of different sessions, from sessions where you talked with different people involved in the innovation cycle, to small group sessions, to actually looking at new innovations. So Pepe, you've been in just about most of the innovation sessions. What is the most exciting for you?
Yeah, I think it's very hard to tell because we started very early with some very interesting discussion in the forum. But I have to say that we took some of the learnings from PCR Innovation Day and applied them here, but specialized it in valves and in the different areas of innovation. And something that appealed to me a lot was the last session when we talked to how do you turn an idea into a market-ready device. It was a mix of an educational session and a number of considerations for really brilliant stakeholders. And there was a lot of nodding in the audience and a lot of positive things out of it. There was also the breakout sessions, and you were in some of them, I were in others. Anything from your end on the breakouts, on the innovation hubs?
Absolutely. I thought the small group discussions where people can really voice their opinions and get into it. When you have a small group, people seem more free to be able to talk, which was exciting. I guess the other exciting thing for me about the London Valves innovation track was our approach to the submissions and the innovations that were submitted. So normally we just have these didactic presentations where you get to see on a slide what the innovation is. But what's different about the track we have here was there was a hands-on innovation session. So you could actually go as an interventional cardiologist and you could try this new device. It may not have been implanted in patients yet, or maybe in a few patients, but you could get your hands on, try and touch it, try and use it, and try and understand how it's going to be actually used in patients.
I mean, it's been an amazing day, and I have to say this is just the beginning. We are back at PCR London Valves, and there will be obviously a continuation of this in the years to come. But I have to say we have something closer to us, which is next year, PCR Innovation Day, first day of PCR in Paris. And I would really welcome that if you are in the world of innovation, that you submit your submissions of new innovation into the program. I look forward to seeing you in Paris.
Thanks, Pepe.
Thank you, Azeem.